Good morning and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. Morning planning is very important. You have to have a plan for the day. I'm going to demonstrate how I do some morning planning. I want to remind you that this channel is an educational channel for demonstration purposes. It's to help you become more consistent and profitable trader. We're going to learn together. I'm no better trader than you are, but we all can be reminded that everyone can improve. I'm finding out that peer review, by posting my videos and stuff in spreadsheets, peer review has found some mistakes, and my trading has also improved a little bit. Thanks. Starting my morning routine in bed, I wake up and immediately check investing.com. This is what I see. Some green in the biggies, and the rut is slightly down. It looks like the big news is coming out around 10 o'clock. Everybody seems to be waiting for the Fed, so I suspect this morning is going to be a mixed opening. It's now 7:50 Eastern Time, and I'll check investing.com again to see where we're at. Well, the news has the Dow 130 points lower. Let's see what it looks like over here. The futures are negative. Powell and Yellen, they're waiting for them to talk. Dollar strengthens. When that happens, usually the stock market goes down. Looking at TradingView, setting it to the 2-hour. Looking at the NASDAQ, it seems to be up a little from yesterday. The rut seems to be taking a little dive for the last 10 hours, 15 hours. The downward trend there. That's the Dow, and that is the S&P 500. This is your MACD, and it's showing a down. This is your RSI showing a down. 2 hours. If I day trade, this is what I day trade usually on a 2-hour. Definitely going to be a mixed morning. Yesterday, lots of green for the big boys. All three indexes ended up in the green. Financials seem to not to do so good. Mixed for the industrials. Energy seems to be reddish. Yesterday, the best performers were technology, and energy was the worst. Financials. Looking at the FANG stocks, which CRISPR's not one, but it is the cancer cure of the future. It seems like Twitter was the only one that was down yesterday. Everything else had an up day. These are 2-hour. Let's set this back to the daily. Apple had a few days of down, and now had an up day. Telsa in a holding pattern there. My indicators say it's about to go down. Amazon, all indications seem that these things will go down soon. It's hard to get a reading on these. This is mixed. They're mixed. They can go either way, either day. Microsoft had a good day. All right, let's see what my algorithm that gives me some singles or a trading plan, a rudimentary trading plan that I could use. Let's see what the singles are showing me. Not much. Pepsi, Simply Good Foods. I tried to get short yesterday. I guess I bid too low. Suncor, the oil didn't do well, so will it do that today? Nothing much on the list. So in OmniBroker, that's what this program is, I wrote a little script, very simple script that gives me some RSI buys and shorts, MACD buys and shorts, zigzag buys and shorts, and some other cuts of the database. Okay, so this is the exact same routine that I use with different output. I'm using a different output, but exact same routine I get that report from. And those are the same on the report. But also I could do the zigzag, and it seems that all these 3 days ago switched. Look, zigzag 3 days ago switched to the upside. And I could look for stocks that way. 5 days ago, look, if I want to go back that far, as far as sell, these are all current ones, it's 0. Simply Good Foods, that's what I would like to get in. SQ, just switched to the downside. It's a fractal, see it there? Switched to the downside. Here's what you got with a ZZ. You can got the switches, but you need to have one of the other big boys to go along with it. You need the MACD single, which you might have here soon, or the RSI, which you have no chance for. So you have to wait for one of those singles. Let's see another one. Baidu. ZZ, the trend indicator, has switched, but you need one of the big boys, and the MACD is going in the opposite direction, up, and no RSI in the last couple days. So you can't take these trades. There's no single generated from these, even though the zigzag, which is always right, has switched. You need a confirmation, though. because, as I say, that it's always right, but it waits 2 days. It's not a perfect indicator, even though I say it is. Twitter. But I have another cut that I don't usually use a lot, and that's the RSI switch. In other words, it goes out and looks for RSI trades, and this is a down. But this case now, the zigzag, has not switched. And my rule is they both have to happen to get a valid, strong signal. But because today we're lacking any kind of signals that I can use, I'm out searching and hunting. And you got to ask yourself, this stock is in an uptrend at 2 down days. Would you go short? And I'm not going to go short today with Powell and the spending that's going on because of the stimulus. I think I want to go long. So let's look at the long side. Plenty to choose from. UNG, I thought when I looked at it yesterday, it was a yes. UNG, United Gas, has had a fractal here. We have an RSI single, and another green bar will cause this to go up, switch. So this might be a good play for today. But there's one I like even better, and that's Fiverr. Last night I did a review of Fiverr, my reasons for going long today. But we have the RSI. I think it's about to switch. I believe if we do go into a recession, our economy is not good. A lot of people will be using this service, which essentially says you can sell your services like writing article writing or loading up YouTube videos, whatever. You can anything to make a buck. I think this site's going to be very, very popular and profitable. So I want to get in it. And my last night's video, which I'll put the link in the description, describes why I want to get into Fiverr. So I'm sorry, we don't have many plays today until the Powell speaks, Yellen speaks, and I'm going to be looking to go on the cheap for Fiverr. I hope this helps. Please like and subscribe. I'll catch you later in the afternoon after I see what's happening with the trading day.